Okay, trigonometry, we come to kind of the last scenario. Again, 3.1 B, the law of sines, the ambiguous cases. Just two more that we need to go over for examples. These examples as follows. If you look, as I draw my triangle, A is 105 degrees. Notice I didn't draw an actual angle. It's 105 degrees. It's okay. Angle B, angle C. Side A is 4. Side B is 20. All right. So in this situation, again, as you look at the opposite side. It's shorter than the other given side. The question is it too short? Well, maybe you have an idea. If you check your decision tree, the decision tree says, as we follow it down, we're given side angle. Follow it down, it says side opposite the angle is shorter. So we're either going to come up with two solutions, or in this case, no solutions down here. So we have to see which one it is. So we set it up accordingly. The sine of 105 over 4 is equal to the sine of B over 20. Get on my calculator. (20) times the sine of 105. 19.31, 19.32 is equal to 4 sine of B. Divide both sides by 4. And you get 4.83. Can sine of B ever be equal to 4.83? No. If you do a sine inverse of that answer, you get a domain error. So that tells you in this situation there is no solution. Surprise, surprise, you saw that this side 4 was just too short to match up with that side 20. There's no way it could stretch long enough to make it there. So you had a no solution scenario. This next one, we draw this one again. Side A, 152. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Side A is 11.4. Side B is 8.6. So we set it up. Again, we're given an angle, a side, and a side. It's ambiguous. We don't know for sure what's going to happen, so we check it out. The opposite side is longer than that side. The opposite side is longer. Well, let's check our sheet. What does that say? The sheet says side angle. Come down here. Opposite angle, side opposite the angle is longer than the other given side. So we have one unique solution. We use the law of sines. Again, your decision tree, this is what you get to use on your test. It helps you out decide exactly what case and what scenarios you're going to come across. I set it up. Whoop, that was from the other day. There we go. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to set it up. The sine of 152 over 11.4 is equal to the sine of B over 8.6. I go to solve for that. 8.6 times the sine of 152. I divide it by 11.4. And I'm going to take the inverse sine of that value. 20.74. Tells me that angle B is 20.74. We know that angle A is 152. We can figure out angle C. I know that side A is 11.4. I know that side B is 8.6. I need to figure out side C. To figure out angle C, we'll subtract all those from 180. 180 minus 152.0 minus 20.74. 7.26. Now go ahead and figure out the missing side. Sine 152 over 11.4 is equal to sine of 7.6 over C. Sorry, 7.26. Sorry about that. Go to work. 11.4 times the sine of 7.26. I divide that by the sine of 152. My final answer, 3.07, is C. As you check your solutions, 152 corresponds with 11.4. That's the largest. As you look, you have 7.26 corresponds with 3.07. That is the smallest. You have one solution as we followed our decision tree. That wraps up our law of sines. We'll then head to the law of cosines.